You want to get this style, you want your hair to do this super quick. Well, it's like 4-hour hairstyle, okay, but y'all know this good timing, so stay tuned. It's 7:12. Let's see how long this is gonna take us. It's my first time doing a style, so forever to just part my hair. So it's 8:44 currently, so that took about an hour and 45 minutes. So I have a total of 22 little parts. Hopefully it looks right. Okay, so we see it's 3 and 3. So the very like middle of my head, I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because I do one right in the middle of my head. I do one right there so it's not just a blank spot. And then I did 4 in the front on each side. So I did 1, 2, and I split the middle in half. Same on this side, 1, 2, I split the middle in half. Okay, y'all. So that's the map of how I did my hair, and I really feel like it's gonna come out so cute. And I will show y'all, like, once I take it down, what it looks like. It's the hair and scalp oil, and when you put it in the braids, you'll be good. Okay, so now that we have our hair prepped for the style, let's get into it. I started off with 3, especially because the back probably is gonna be a little thicker, and it can get like lighter as we go to the front. I'm probably gonna have to re-add the hair because twisting it in is gonna come out. So either I might go back and knot it. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, I think I like it. And I can't wait to not do my hair in the morning. Okay. Okay, so I saw it like this. Oops. So now that it's here like this, I think you're supposed to knot it by literally just pulling it through. Okay, that's a little better. Just that long one. You know, the little one is kind of cute. Little 1-2 step. 12:34. And that kind of took me a little long time. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Yay! Definitely gonna go in with my oil tomorrow because I don't want it all in my sheets. I have braid bonnets, and I'll link them because I got all mine from Amazon and Shein. I have braid bonnets, and I typically will wear a scarf and my braid bonnet, so everything will stay together. Okay, so I want to show y'all the final look before I go. I laid my edges with, I'll show y'all the 2 that I use because I feel like this is what actually like keeps my edges laid throughout the day. So this is what she looks like. This is the edges. Boop, boop, boop. This is the hair. I'm 5'8". I actually have heels on. Heel boots, so this is where the hair stops. Let me know what y'all think.